Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions so you don't end up with a drawer full of regrets. Today, we're soaring high as we compare two popular drones, the DJI Mini 2 SE, aka DJI Mini, and the Loily drone, aka Loily. Let's see which one will make you the king or queen of the skies. First up, let's talk about the one thing that makes our wallets cry: price. On the left, we have the DJI Mini, priced at $279. Reviewers often note that it's like buying a small island, but they also mention that the quality justifies the price. On the right, we have Loily, coming in at a budget-friendly $99. Many reviewers appreciate its affordability, stating that it's almost the price of a fancy dinner date. If you're looking to save some bucks, Loily is your new best friend. But remember, you get what you pay for. Next, let's get into portability. Both drones are like the cool kids who fit into any group photo. The DJI Mini is lightweight and compact, weighing less than 249 grams. Reviewers love it for capturing epic moments while hiking or road tripping, and it doesn't require FAA registration. On the other hand, Loily is so compact it fits in your pocket. It's like carrying a flying pet. Both are travel-friendly, but DJI Mini might edge out just a bit with its sleek, professional look. Now, let's talk flight time. The DJI Mini is like that friend who never runs out of energy at parties. It offers a whopping 31 minutes of flight time on one battery and up to 93 minutes with the combo pack. Reviewers praise its long battery life and performance. Loily, on the other hand, gives you 25 to 30 minutes with two batteries. Not bad for a budget drone, but it's like trying to keep up with a marathon runner when you're wearing flip-flops. Alright, let's zoom in on camera quality. The DJI Mini comes with easy-to-use shooting templates on the DJI Fly app, making it a breeze to create professional-level videos. However, the app is no longer on Google Play, so you'll have to download it from DJI's website. Reviewers are impressed by the high-quality pictures and stable footage it provides. Loily sports an HD 1080p camera with a 90-degree adjustable angle, perfect for capturing Instagram-worthy selfies and real-time Wi-Fi transmission. It's like the selfie stick of drones. Let's not forget user-friendliness. The DJI Mini is beginner-friendly with simplified operations and a return-to-home function. Reviewers highlight its intuitive and stable flight. Loily, however, takes the cake with features like one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. If you're new to the drone game, Loily might be your best bet to avoid turning your drone into a very expensive lawn ornament. And for the daredevils out there, wind resistance is crucial. The DJI Mini stands strong with a 38 km/h wind resistance, like a tiny flying fortress. Reviewers are particularly impressed by its performance in windy conditions. Loily, well, it's more like a kite on a breezy day. So if you're planning to film during a hurricane, you know who to trust. Reviewers generally find the DJI Mini 2 SE to be a high-quality, beginner-friendly drone with excellent camera quality, long battery life, and strong wind resistance. On the other hand, the Loily drone is praised for its affordability, user-friendliness, and compact size, making it a great option for beginners and budget-conscious buyers. So there you have it, folks. The DJI Mini 2 SE is your go-to for professional quality, extended flight time, and superior wind resistance. On the flip side, the Loily drone is perfect for beginners, budget-conscious flyers, and those who want a pocket-sized adventure buddy. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. Fly smart, buy smart, and we'll see you in the next video. Product links are in the description.